Namaskar. We all know that health is wealth. So here at Param Sukh, we bring you 3 days free live workshop on International Yoga Day. What will you gain from this workshop? Then the answer to this is, you all will enjoy and learn in this 3 days workshop 18 steps lifestyle yoga based on scientific cosmic laws of nature, 7 aspects of human life like physical, intellectual, emotional, family, social, and spiritual. Benefits also include a disease-free life, stress-free emotions, tension-free thoughts, abundance of life, abundance of wealth, limitless relationship with love energy, social harmony, spiritual formulas, and much more. Icing to the cake is that this workshop will be conducted live by our own scientist and mentor, Sri Pankajbhai himself. Let me tell you that he has 50 years plus of experience. And it doesn't end here. You will also get free naturopathy practical tips by 20 years experienced by Mr. Nitin Bhai Bhuricha. So irrespective of any caste, creed, religion or nation, please join us on 19th, 20th and 21st of June 2023 and be ready for a positive change. So what are you waiting for? Register now. We are just a click away. So thank you, love you, God bless you all and Namo Jinana.